this video, I quickly want to talk about extensions for Ninja Forms. So as we talked about in the Ninja Forms tutorials, there are a lot of available extensions. You can check out which ones there are by going to the extensions page on Ninja Forms, and you can either purchase them one-off or several add-ons may be available depending on which package you've purchased. Once you have purchased an add-on or one of the licenses, under the download section of your Ninja Forms dashboard, you're going to be able to download all of the different plugins. And we install these just like we install any other plugin on our WordPress website. So for example, if I wanted to install the MailChimp plugin, I would click on the download link, go back to my WordPress website, hover over plugins and click add new, click on upload plugin, and then either select it from my computer or drag and drop it. And that's going to upload the plugin file and unpack the files. And then I just click on activate plugin and you'll see that I've now installed the Ninja Forms MailChimp plugin, and then I can manage the settings or whatever I have to do. After I've installed the plugin, I want to go ahead and set up my key for it, my activation key, and that ensures that my plugin is always going to be updated and kept up to date. So we'll go to add-ons, we'll go to settings, and then click on licenses. And the licenses are available straight from this license keys section of your site, of your dashboard. So click on here, look for the extension. Each key will be listed under it, and you just enter it in right under this in these input fields. Input the key for the extension that you have, click on activate, and we'll activate that and make sure that they're always kept up to date. So that's extensions with Ninja Forms. There are a ton of extensions that come with Ninja Forms. We're going to be doing tutorials on some of the functionality-based extensions, but for the third-party service extensions, I will put together a text-only tutorial, and I will also link you to the documentation at Ninja Forms where they have it detailed in steps. Because we're not familiar with every third-party service, we figured it would be better to get your documentation information directly from the source, but you'll be able to have step-by-step instructions. Also, if you do run into a problem, we still will support these in the LattePress forums. So if you have any problems at all with any extension, go ahead and post in the forums, and myself or somebody else will try to help you out as soon as possible.